Now we're really getting into the how of your business, the how it all works, really kind of going into a little bit more detail than we maybe have on previous pages. This section is called My Unique Process, although you will want to create a benefit-driven subhead, as always, write your copy, then come to that at the end. So this gives your reader a simplified version of your process, so what they can expect when they're working with you. So what you need to do is kind of write down your process now. Just get a piece of paper or do it on a Google Doc. Write down from when you kind of start working with someone right through to when you kind of finish, or if it's a continual relationship, when the kind of end of your first session, or however it works for your business. Write everything down and pay particular attention to when you do things differently, or what makes it unique, and how you bring your experience into the different parts. And then what you do is try and condense all of that into five steps at the most. So all that process, try and kind of combine it down 3 to 5 steps that kind of explains to people what they can expect if they work with you. Let me show you some examples here. So for Tammy's, who is a nutritionist, her website, she split hers into, she knew for her unique process, there was 2 parts to what she did with her nutritional kind of service. So there's the nutrition part where she splits that up into how that will work. So 36 blood markers, 7 appointments together, discuss meal planning. So she knew that side was kind of separate. And then she also really focuses on mindset, which she thinks is really unique and makes her stand apart. So she really called that bit out. So the other part of her unique process is the mindset. And that talks about the kind of self-sabotage behaviors, mindful eating, movement that works for you. So she's kind of split her process into those 2 distinct parts, because that's what really worked for her client. With Ben's website, because he is a coach who focuses on the kind of body and body movement, he's included the 3 different types of kind of coaching, I suppose, or coaching processes that he encompasses. So thinking, feeling, and action. So that's how he has split his unique process. And then let me just show you my website quickly. So in my sales and launch copy, I talk about my process to get into this high converting sales copy. So we start with a discovery call. We deep dive into business objectives. I do my voice of customer research, which you guys know now, you're kind of in on the secret. And then I take everything I've learned and craft this sales copy, and then I kind of come out with the so what, or with the outcome. So there's lots of different ways to split up your unique process. As you start writing it out, I think you'll find the one that works for you kind of naturally comes out. The idea is, keep it short. You don't want to kind of go into loads and loads of detail. The idea is just to kind of make sure you give people enough that they feel comfortable to then go ahead and kind of start the process, but not so much that they feel completely overwhelmed.